Let's discuss deleting elements of an array. Right? First, create an array. Give your values like this and put the semicolon at the end, right? Like this. We should index this number like this: 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? I want to delete 2. I want to remove this, right? How can we do this? We should set the index of 2. What is the index of 2? Index of 2 is 1. We should set the index of 2 to the next element index. Next element's index. This. We should equal to 1 to 2. Right? How can we do this with code part, right? First, create an array. Give your values 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. After that, you should create a for loop, right? And create a variable like int I equal to 0. What is the meaning of I equal to 0? I equal 0 means running from the start of the array. The start is 1, right? 0th index. And we should give this what is the mean of I is less than 3? I less than 3 means it goes until the end of the array. 3 means index of the last element of array, right? I plus plus mean increment it. Then for loop can run first position to last position, right? Now I say before I say we should set the index of 2 to next element's index. Index of first element 0. What is I equal to 0, right? How can we represent 2's position with I? 0 plus 1. We can show this I plus 1 is the 2's position. I plus 1, right? We can give this I plus 1. Now I want to delete 2. Therefore, I give the 2's position to the equal to the next element's position. What is the next element position? I plus 2, right? Now you can print your array using this. Now it should give output as 1, 3, 4 without 2, right? Because it should be deleted, right? Run it. Now you can see 1, 3, 4 without 2. 2 is deleted, right? If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching us.